Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again today I come up with another chapter, and today in this lesson we are going to learn about sorting. How to do sorting in a certain data which I have. So let's get into the worksheet. Before we go to the sorting, let's remove all this column which we have added yesterday in the yesterday's class. Okay. So this is the original data which I have. So in sorting, we are having three kinds of sorting. One is sorting from A to Z if the column is text-based column. Second one is oldest to newest if the data is date-based. And the third one is smallest to largest or largest to smallest if the data is number-based. So in this data, we are having all three kinds of data set. Data loinamak the yauri ko sidana text based ni sina number based ni sina date based ni number based da aina sorting tawge hay taragadi new dagina old dagina new da tawbe yai number da na achawbadagi apikpadagi achawbada tawbe yai text na muka a dagi z ta natraga z dagi a da tawbe yai ahanba data se aina sorting tawge hay taragadi aigi cursor say selection say should be inside the data. Means I cannot click here and do the sorting. I have to bring my cursor, my text selection inside the database. Database ki manung da click taw do ne. The database ki kada idon lady say e degina I phone ne lady ko. The any lady basically any cell amada I selection taw butai, then I can do the sorting. Sorting taw no idamakta I get to see karino sorting in a filter kada dalai home tab ta changaga roi besida ida click taw matamda sort a to z z to a like this the way in sida ga filter function sort and filter function se inama ga filter da namane once in a filter da nam matamda all the at the like bas sigi header sida sorting gi button nama lakani ko so yenga so let's select this one I cursor is the layer ko then go to sort and filter and then click on filter. Now see here the button namam button see sorting filter ne filter to naba gidamak lagba button ni sidagi in hojik okay idagi use text based the sort of text based the sort of matam da say state detected state ha is sida tawasi detected state the step by one give meaning layer money aina pami sorting to ni se a to z ne a to z tawge hargadi the click tawrani then you see here sort a to z or sort z to a ani simanung the area pamam tawge so let's do first a to z. See Andaman Nicobar se a na hobani na a da laaya ko ado si sort over matamda khanga da bamana karino kalam du khakta sort over roiba maaga corresponding lairiba row sing do ado so loina sort over neba. So let's undo it. Kerala ni ujik lairi si ko ado Kerala gi patient number si 1 ni ado ai Kerala si a to z sort over matamda Kerala ma kha pungrani ado Kerala ga laiminariba magi sigi corresponding hai tar corresponding data se si row se si solo sort over ne only Kerala si ka sort over roiba sigi column si ka sort over roiba. So let's do again a to z Andaman Nicobar. The Kerala one has gone down. Kerala to makasa kra to Andaman Nicobar gi patient number 681 se lakh ra female lakh ra loi change to re ko sumaina. So if I want to sort again z to a, then I have to click here, then it becomes West Bengal. West Bengal sin aroiba a to z ki daroiba ne aduna mana quite top the lae duga a aduna makha ta bungre. Let's go to last button. So a is here Andaman Nicobar sin bottom the lae duga West Bengal sin top the lae. So here undo to bagi option magi de leite ko undo to bagi option je hedi filter si clear to bagi pot leite hanagi ai original form de leite poto ada halak na bagi leite ai ni sida ahan bale madagi ai multiple changes to whatever multiple changes to whatever ni na je aina sidagi clear to raga hanagi original format to the han be yar roeva the only way is you have to apply undo, Control Z. Then it will come to this there, then the first there. This is the default data. Default data structure this is like this. Aina hallaga lakpa yate undo to banatana upay liteba sorting the ko. Now let's do the sorting in the number base column. The number base si as bracket layer ko. As bracket si the number si aina pami se the smallest to largest. Ito se smallest to largest to haragadi sumain taw 10 10 na quite small loy largest no kaya no is go 95 95 sino quite sahi yam bane ko adu sumaina lakani. Again if I want to do smallest to largest or largest to smallest, then it will become 95 here and 10 at the last. Okay, sina number base them. Again we can sort dead base the sort of haragadi karino sinamuka oldest to newest to oldest. So let's click here. So oldest to newest so kwaidagi aribaduni sina oldest na kwaidi aribani 30th January 2020 da detect over announced over sina kwaidagi aribane ba aduna silare newest to oldest tawge haragadi idamu click tawro. So 9/4/2020 the detect over this is the newest one. So maina tawbani hariba punamak se ani se kalam se koi hallaga lake haragadi only option we have is we should have a constant column or a index column. Index column habadi 1 2 3 aina unique oina person on unique oina thamgiba poto adu ambag yawba taragadi hanagi newest form da aina hadi or default oina han badal laiba magi original oiba data do adu da purakpa yaganeba. Suppose si mayam si tawra matungda ai atopa sheet khara da muk chalure sida thaba khara tawrure natraga sida su lorga topa sheet am dus thaba khara tawrure amam ko so aina hanagi sigi data si original data do halaki haragadi multiple times undo adum tawta adu waragadi aina sai ahan bai sida sorting tawra matungda tawkriba thabak mayam sing dus loina undo tawraneba. So that is not a wise way of doing it. So the best way is that you should have, if you think that you should revert back to the original data, then you should at least have one such column where there is a index number. So in this case, we can bring back the data to the original form, that is by sorting to smallest to largest. See, ahan badal like with person 1 2 3 like with C like with na sai aina thabak mayam to roga sigi posi the default sida mo halak have kanda sigi kalam sigi mateng ai halaga la pa yagan have. Otherwise I have to do multiple times undo. That is not wise. Aduga to pa amana koigi sorting to bagi sida lairiba magi button mayam sing se sida tai sing sida na arrow ma laigani ko button ma laigani aduga triangle ma laigani but downwards da but apply to riba sort apply to riba kalam da du to ngan ba icon ma laigani. Let's see here. See here button amasu lai re adu matak up arrow ma lai si makha dam largest to smallest to si ko down arrow lai ne. So mane arrow ma yaw basna sida yaw de ko sida only triangle khakta ni yaw ri se sida di arrow ma su yaw ri si na ine khangi man di sigi column sida aina ha ri ba for sorting ma apply to ri ba se sigi column line sina khangane arrow sina khangane. If it is smallest to largest, up arrow down arrow do so mane ubane ko. Okay, aduga karigumba sida di koi ge sai ahan mad hai re A to Z to matam da atai sing su loin change tawre ba do aina pa me karmaina Andaman Nicobar su oiba ko sorting se Andaman Nicobar su oiba pa me aduga sahi su apik padagi anu natragana multiple hai tare sahi su apik padagi kari dagi oldest dagi sahi su kari dagi largest dagi smallest pa me date song ka oldest dagi newest pa me. So in multiple sorting tawge hai taragadi I have to apply this custom formatting, clear it. Okay, and then I have to apply custom formatting. So custom formatting I have to apply here, go and custom format. Okay, here. So A to Z si lohan hana clear to so se egi sida kidori filter dori pose. Now let's go to filter and custom sort. Let's do cell kari karamba cell no into do detected state. Detected state si kari pame and A to Z pame. Then add another level. Then kari the S bracket. The S bracket se kari pame largest to smallest pame. Then add another level. Kari aduna date. Date announce. Date announce in kari pame newest to oldest. Then it will sort like this. See, Andaman Nicobar ngakani. So Andaman Nicobar gi lady ba patients in the kwaidagi sahi yambaduna 91 ni. The kwaide hanba record to pa to miduna 26 ni. Pasumena le 26, 28, 27, 27, 27. See, because karigino sida 20 araga si 27 lies is the I hanba level si karino sineva. Kwai hanba da si sort ni. Sigi sort or matung the lady ba sigi data sigi manunda. Amuka mana muka chahi si amuk short ne ba kwai de gi hen ba si mo si 23 si su 23 chahi ani mak chap mana ba but kari gi no sin mang da lai se sin matung da lai se kari gi sin 28 ta record to ba sin 27 da record to ba ekoi ne si dos format to ri se sorting to ri si kari no kwai de gi chahi kwai de gi hana announce to bodu ne ba ani si manung da 23 chahi di chap mana ba ado sin hana announce to sin hana kon sina kone announce the web all the newest to oldest ne ko sort to ris ko yin si karino so newest to oldest ne kay combine si oldest to newest ha bitar ga di si 27 hal lagira to 27 hal lagira 28 kona lai so maina custom formatting amuka to bi multiple cells in the format to har ga so if I want to revert back to the original data the only way is you have to clear this thing, clear all this, delete it, okay, and then sort it, filter here smallest to largest. I come back to the original data. So I can we can do three kinds of sorting. One is text-based sorting, in which we can do A to Z or Z to A. Next is number-based sorting, in which we can do largest to smallest, smallest to largest. And third is we can do sorting, date-based sorting, that is oldest to newest, newest to oldest. And that's it for this lecture, and I will see you in the next one.